Do you think it is not possible to become a millionaire in your 20s? The truth is anyone can become a millionaire. You might be wondering how it is possible. Your wait is finally over, as once you will go through this entire guide, we will provide you with the most effective ways to become filthy rich. Of course, becoming rich overnight is not possible. Becoming rich is not even possible if you skip hard work, focus, and dedication towards learning, experimenting, networking, contemplating, reading, and building new stuff related to your stream of business. In today's video, we are going to show you how to become a millionaire in your 20s. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Have an urge to getting successful and believe in yourself. Visualize that you are getting close to your dream of becoming a millionaire. Visualizing will help you to think about all the possible ways you can try. Without the urge, it will not be possible to become one. You have to think that all the tasks you perform in the beginning, for a couple of months or years, may not get you many impressive results. However, you have to keep trying, as giving up is not an option. If you keep trying something, as soon as you get the right opportunity, grab it, and you will definitely succeed. Number 2. Make smart investments. It is not always necessary that one can be a smart investor, only if one can play well in the stock market, or be a diligent bond investor. A smart investor is one who ensures their financial future is secured and knows the philosophy. The sooner you start, the easier and quicker you get rich. Several self-made business entrepreneurs became rich by investing. Although, this may sound be a time-consuming process, as it will take around 35 years for you to become a millionaire this way. But trading cryptocurrencies, flipping websites, or buying existing businesses, investing in the stock market, and starting some other side business could make it easier to become a millionaire. Number 3. Become a social media influencer. Are you looking forward to turning yourself into becoming a social media influencer? It is not that easy if you want to become a millionaire through this sweet-sounding option, as you need to gain the attention of the mass audience through your posts, blogs, mission, and vision of your company's website. Once you have the attention and customer recognition, it becomes quite easy to monetize it. Several platforms are available today from where you can make a massive amount of money, including social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and many others. You need to ensure that you post customer-engaging content. Number 4. Use conscious spending. Conscious spending means when you start making expenditures purposefully. Conscious spending does not encourage you to strenuously put an end to the expenditures on things that make you feel happy and joyful, such as it is totally acceptable to spend on things like eating outside, traveling, or buying contemporary clothes. But keeping a specific share of those spending is essential, as it is fine if you spend 25 to 35% of your income on guilt-free fun things. The only thing that you should be concerned about is avoiding the mindless spending that may come from disorganized finances. Practicing conscious spending will minimize useless expenditures, which will further remove the obstacles to help to achieve your end goal. Number 5. Automating your finances. You may be thinking, how can automating our finances be beneficial for us? It has genuinely proven to be very advantageous for all types of people in business, as ensures a proportion of your income is reserved into your savings fund as soon as the money is credited to your bank account. Number 6. Create intellectual property. All of you would be inherited with unique intellectual property. You need to explore your inborn talent or develop expertise in whatever you are keenly interested in. It could be related to any field, including songs, book writing, reading, playing sports, trademarks, patents, scripts, and art. Some may be proficient in design seminars, training programs, and workshops where they sell their detailed guide or other material, while some may be skilled in writing books and provide a brief consultation in their field. It could be related to anything. You need to know how to sell your knowledge most effectively. Number 7. Do not fear failure. Failure in your new business, especially when you are a beginner and just got your hands on in the industry, is one of the biggest threats that one may come across in their career. However, one has to come out of the fear of losing it and focus only on achieving your goals and dream while taking risks. Taking risks is inevitable. Without it, you cannot get successful, be it any business. Take the example of any millionaire in this world, and you will not find even a single industry that has witnessed or experienced success without risks being taken. The major problem with beginners is that they have the what-if approach. Number 8. Start a side hustle to increase your income. If you want to grow to that point where you become eligible to reach $1 million mark, you cannot achieve it until you know how to boost your income. One of the best ways to increase your revenue is to have a couple of side hustles. If you are working on a regular job or self-employed, that may not be enough to meet up if you want to spend extravagantly and live affluently. Passive income will help you spend on luxurious things and on meeting up daily expenditures. The primary business or job that you are doing could comprehensively go into your savings fund. Discovering potential revenue streams and proactively finding them will increase your savings for each month magnificently. Number 9. Build relationships with successful people. You might have heard of the saying, "Where you stand depends on where you sit," or "A man is known by the company he keeps." It is imperative to surround yourself with people who are successful and who can share their self-taught ideas with you. This will help you get to know the mantra those people followed, or the mistakes done by successful people at the beginning of their careers. One should build relationships and choose their company or the people with which you associate diligently. It is even fine if you surround yourself with people who are not yet successful, but are working to reach their goals to enter into the Millionaires Club. This will benefit you tremendously. Number 10. Leave your comfort zone. Getting successful is not that easy. You have to make a lot of effort and devote ample time to flourish your business and gain recognition in this competitive market. Let's face reality. You will not become a millionaire till the time you are doing an ordinary 9-to-5 job. It might be hard for you to decide to ditch your job and start a new business entirely from scratch. However, this is the only way that can get you one step closer to reaching to $1 million spot. The ideal thing to do is while doing your job and getting paid. Lay the foundation of your business and learn the basics first. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.